Hi, I'm Russell from the Family Tent Shop, and here we are looking at the updated Outdoor Revolution Airedale 7 for 2019. So as you can see, this tent was a very popular tent this year. They've made some real changes for next season. So they've added a zip on the front of the tent here, where you can now add on this extension canopy. So it just gives you another area out the front of what already is a very large tent, but just gives you another sort of extra space there, and a bit of protection to the front door of the porch area. So the tent is a 3-zone tent, so you've got a nice big porch area on the tent anyway, that comes as part of it. You then have a sewn-in ground sheet area, which as you can see has got a mesh panel in between the two areas, and then you've got 3 large bedrooms at the back. So when you go inside the actual main tent, you can see you've got, as I say, those 3 bedrooms all along the back there. They're all very large bedrooms, so the connections are in front of the air tubes, whereas on a lot of tents they're behind the air tubes, so it just increases that floor space in the actual bedroom area, so that they are 2, 3, 5 deep. Being part of the Airedale range from Outdoor Revolution, it's got a 150 denier fabric. You've got nice oversized air tubes on the tent there as well, so it's very sturdy, very strong. Certainly the weather today is a good indication for it. You've got a side porch area on the tent, built-in area there, which comes with the wardrobe pole, so you can use that for a wardrobe area. Also, as you can see, there's a zip door on the inside there, so you could use it for you know, maybe like a toilet area or another sort of storage sort of part for the tent. You've got pockets on the front of the bedroom area, so again handy for storage. There's also pockets inside the bedroom areas on the side down there, so for things like mobile phones and wallets and things like that. Really useful. Ventilation at the back of the bedrooms. The bedrooms are being made darker as well for 2019, so they're much darker bedrooms for next season. You've also got mosquito netting on the side door, so you can get a nice free flow of air into the tent. And the tents on the tubes, they're also sort of ready for the lighting system, which you can buy from Outdoor Revolution as an add-on. So there's sort of connections all the way along the top there for cables and for the lighting system to fit on. And you can also get what are called downlighters, so there's like pockets that you can buy that can fit onto these Velcro strips here, and then you can pop in little downlighter lights that can just provide a bit of extra light into the tent. So yeah, just going out the front here, spinning round so you can have another good look at the full size of it. It's a really nice big spacious tent. This is the Airedale 7, and as I say, it's been updated for 2019, mainly to do with the canopy and the darker bedrooms. Yeah, nice tent and good value for money. I'm Russell from the Family Tent Shop.